Have you done cookies by someone on the verge of going apeshit and snapping? Well, not on camera. So you want fucking cookies, huh? You want the internet cooking man to make you some cookies. Well, this monkey will dance for you, I guess. And if you're a kid, get the fuck out of here and get your parents to just watch you a little bit more, all right? They're not right now, that's for damn sure. Go! Go! This a fucking joke? The lawnmower's fucking going off now? And before we get started, this episode is sponsored by this bullshit cutting board company. This is the top, normal cutting board with a nice little... The sun is in my... Hey, there's a nice little hole in it for all your vegetables that conveniently fall through when you're chopping them. On the bottom, there's a defrosting board and another cutting board that comes off. But the problem is that this is the bottom. So you turn it upside down. This thing is a piece of shit. Don't buy it for anybody unless you dislike them. Sun's in my face again. Big bowls are wet bowls. Add some butter. Fuck! Gonna have to take this shit out like this. A half cup of butter. Listen, I don't give a shit if you don't make these cookies, to be honest with you. Oh, you're lucky I'm even giving you the fucking measurement. 1 cup of light brown sugar, smashing that shit in there. 3 tablespoons of white sugar, because I guess we need 2 types of fucking sugar. This thing plugged in? Yes. Fuck! And I guess we just bring this all together, like I hoped my life would be at this point. All right, shitheads, now I'm adding like a little bit of, like a shot of oat milk with some vanilla put into it. Flour. The baking soda and salt are already fucking mixed together. You don't have to do them separate. I know some of you guys are gonna give me shit for it. Shut up about it. Bring that together with a whisk, a stir. I don't give a shit. Let me re-emphasize how little I give a shit if you do any of it. The recipe says to mix these two together by hand, but to be honest with you, I do not have the time or patience for any more of this bullshit than I have to. Turning the mixer back on, and I'm just fucking adding this. Bowl spinning, who gives a shit? It's actually pretty fucking good. Got 1 cup of good chocolate chip. Don't use the mixer here, just fold these fuckers in. Fuck!
You broke it?
Oh, come on! Not today! All right, lid on this fucker. Let it chill in the fridge for 30 minutes while I also chill for 30 minutes so I don't lose my fucking mind. Set your oven on 350. All right, so the cookies have chilled and so have I. Just kidding. Fuck you guys for making me do this. I'm just gonna scoop these fuckers out onto a baking sheet. I'm using a fucking ice cream scoop and no, it doesn't have that wicket to get these things off, so I have to do it by hand. Add some Maldon salt on top of your cookies, the flaky fucking sea salt everybody uses. You might be saying, oh, I want sweet, not salty. You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Please just listen to me. It's a little bit of flaky salt on top of all of these fucking cookies. Echo, set a fucking timer for 10 minutes. Echo, set a timer for 10 minutes. Hey! All right, and here's your fucking chocolate chip cookies. You see, the recipe was for 15 fucking cookies, and I made 12 out of it. And now I got just a sheet pan of cookies. So thanks, guys. Thanks for making me do the fucking cookie recipe. I really appreciate it. I'm fucking done.
You're not even gonna finish the recipe.
No, I'm done with this!
One to 2 minutes.
Machine. Is this thing plugged in?
Yes.
Fuck!
sure the right one goes in the right thing. All right, now I'm gonna have to help you. Now you're gonna have to unplug it because you're a little baby that gets scared. Follow the little diagram. This is working out nicely, though, huh? The circular one in first. I don't know why, but you do. And then we plug it back in. Right, there you go, baby Cody. Frame it together 1 to 2 minutes.
All right, how do I do this?
You press the little switch back. Don't hit the top one. This pushes them
I
out.
understand that now.
So you press that to the side, and then you have this up and down arrow to change the speed.
All right. Now we're using the mixer. And I guess we just bring this all together.